Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, it's the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 17th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles. Well, actually more, but in this additional we have solved the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. And earlier in the day, I've also solved 3 regular puzzles. Okay, a lot of puzzles today, but let me start or continue with this one. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. And this will be number 5032. And for 4 stars, if it's really 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more for a 4 stars puzzle. Alright, before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one 14, so I don't think so, but we will see. First question, let's get started. First question, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have in this puzzle dual box? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other 2 numbers, the 1 and 2, could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box near the middle box. Inside box is only 4 or a 5. Can be only 4 or a 5. But we already have a 4 in this area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright, more triple boxes here. No, quadra boxes then. Do we see any quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so 3 numbers are left, but this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, only 1 quadra box? Yeah. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes or figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more L shapes here? Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Scan, scan, scan. Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More. Nope. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do you have more? No. Only 3 of them. Let me scan. Are there more shapes that you need to recognize? No. Only 3 we have here in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. So 1 digit left in this corner box for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. The 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there and a double 4 there. So here can be a 4, but also this box can be a 4. So the 4 it goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 4. The other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Here we have a 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. It's in the same area. And can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. These are 3 boxes surround a 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes surround a 4, can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. This box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. 1 and 5 in this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 5. These are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? It's in the same area. And can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see another 3 there, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2. It's in this. We have a 2 here in the same area. Can be a 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in. Oh, now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with 1 or a 5. So this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you, it's not a difficult one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. And let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.